Hey, good morning. Sorry, pasensya jud kaayo kay gubot jud siya. As in wala na ko'y kabutangan sa ko ang butang dire. Lagi lang mag-room tour ta pohon. Pero kara lang time na mag-renovate po ta sa tong room pohon. Pwede po ta mauwawan para once makita yung kagubot, mabawi po ba sa kanindot at the end ba, no? So, karon it's already April 1. It's a new month. It's a total reset for everyone. So, it's already 12:06 p.m. Today, I will be going to SM Lasha because exciting news, I will now be buying the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's one of my goal gadget ever since na nisikat siya and na-hype siya sa mga sikat na content creators. And wala jud ko nipalit dayon or nikagat dayon by the time na na-discover na ko ni siya ang DJI Osmo Pocket 3 because I already have the G7X Mark II. It's been doing great and it's giving me like the best videos, and also this is still the best purchase I've had. But I have been contemplating, Jude, if I should buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 because first, I have the G7X Mark II. Second, do I really need it? So there's a question in my mind if do I really need to purchase one. So since I have been to like Siargao last year, I have discovered something in my G7X Mark II. Naa siya mga dots na magitan sa screen. If nakabantay mo, if nagtanong mo sa mga videos, especially in the dark places na ma-videohan na ako, you will definitely notice 3 dots sa screen. That's one thing na nag-uol ko. Kay murag, sinyalis naman siguro ni na murag padung na mag-give up akong Mark II or G7X. Hopefully di. Kay of course, this camera has been with me ever since 2019. Nag-grow ko dire, nag-grow ko ninyo, nag-grow ko ani na camera. I mean, I have practiced and I have mastered editing skills while having this camera as well. Being able to discover like different angles on how to use the camera, where to put it. So, all the works. G7X has been with me since 2019. But it's just sad na we have to buy a new one kay mahalo ko na wala ko'y backup. So, mana siya. So, mana siya naka-decide ko na mapalit na lang jud ko og DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And this is also to improve the quality of our videos. And of course, the audio. Usa po na sa atong gi-aim na ma-improve pod. And I can see na pwede siya ma-attach to somewhere, especially when you have the right accessories. I'm looking forward into it. So, mag-ilis na ta so that we can go to SM Lasyon. Alright, I'm all set. Naka-prepare na ko. And mag-migrate na ninyo sa kung phone na lang, ha? I'll be back as soon as I have the gadget so that we can open and review it. Okay? See ya! Okay, we are here in SM Lasyon na, and we're about to go to the department store where we will be purchasing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3! Alright! Bayad na ta? Okay, sila na. Padunat na mo bayad sa ato ang DJI Osmo! Here it is! Ibang ang gadget! And we're back na. Whew! Grabe ka, it's Pilipinas. Okay, and I'm so happy kay we finally got it! Finally have this, one of my dream gadgets. Now it's in my hands. I can't wait to use it in the upcoming vlogs. Mag-unboxing tani soon and mag-rest na lang ko. Kay duty pa ko later and see you in the unboxing na lang. Woo! Hello everybody, we are actually going to unbox something, so here it is. Ta-da! So I'm opening it na. Here's the bag, and then it comes with the stickers, DJI stickers. Oh, just voted. The manual, na siya manual. Next is ang iyahang cover or protector. Ano yung protector? Ito na ta sa tong exciting part, which is the bag and the main camera. Nindot yung bag, I think it's leather. Let's open up! Yes, taas ang kuko, but it's clean. Don't bash me. Clean ra siya. So, I'll start with, here, it shows the whole thing here inside. Ano siya ang mic niya. Hello, lakas makaligit. Like, hello, ano ta? Wait, what's inside? Ah, okay, this is the extra battery. Gamay jud siya, eh. Here, camera. And then, ano siya iyang tripod. Itong open yung tripod. So, iyahang ko, ang dilira siya, diri kutob iyahang iyang flexibility. Like, mag-go beyond jud siya. Ano, flat jud siya, flat. Iyahang wire. I think this is USB-C. Ang salika. Ano siya ang wind protector niya. Protector sa mic. Ay! Naput siya ang wrist strap niya. Wrist strap. And ano siya ang windscreen. Windscreen di ang tawag. Ay. So cute. Ano siya i-ring. Day tao ni din, ha? Put it. Hala. It's so nice. Ano, hello? Then, ano siyang extender niya para matao ni mo ang tripod. It also connects to the charger pa sa yung extra bat. So, like, taas kayo siya. So, I'm not a techie person, so maklaro man ninyo, no? I cannot explain everything. Ano siya ang yung wide angle lens. I was looking for it, but here it is. Natago di siya sa usa ka corner sa bag. Look! This is the wide angle lens. Ay, perfect. Ano siya ang magnet sa mic. Ano siya ang mic. Then, pinit siya. Like that. In fairness, ha? Kuan siya. Kusog siya mo hold ang magnet. Isod siya pa. Wait lang. No fairness. Kusog mo gunit ang iyahang magnet. Next one is the main character, no? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Naana siya sa ako ang kamot. Nana jud. So, gamay jud siya. Like, one grip lang jud siya. Ito siyang ituyok. Oh my God! Okay. Grabe siya, oh. Yang gimbal kay ko anjud. Okay. Alright. Anya na tani siya. Tan-aon jud ang iyang functionality. But, decided to use this. I'm taking a video of you. You say hi.
Hanggang na i-ride na ano, si Papa, palila lang po ito, wala yung lain na lang ulit na wala. Tapos amin lang ako sa church. Alaga ni Cliff.
Peace. Where are we going? No, not yet. We're going to Danao. We're going to eat lunch. Auntie Katrina treated us. You say thank you to Auntie Katrina. Again? Louder.
Thank you, Auntie Katrina.
What will you say? I love you. Set your playing. First food, Lumi. This is Lumi. Oh, Bambi.